Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have created a readme file for Angular project. So in your mind, why we need to create a readme file? Because readme file mention how to start your application, firstly how to use your application, like download, how can you download and configure all these things, whatever packages are needed, and what is requirements for the Angular versions. That's why we have created a readme file. So in Visual Studio Code, when you click on the settings, they have a extension. So when you click on the extension, one extension is Markdown. If in your system Markdown is already installed, then you have to create a readme.md file, .md extension. So it you can easily format like that. So here we create a readme.md file. Click on that. So firstly we create a introduction part. So single hash we are using. Using single hash, you have a large size of text like H1 type. Then we have write a project name here. So like a project name you can write here. Project name. Select this and click on this one and insert bold text, and you can here type all the project description. After that we have to write prerequisites. So having whatever basic requirements for Angular application. Basic requirements are like you have to web browser, code editor, git installed, and install Node.js, install Angular CLI. If you don't have installed Angular CLI, then you must be installed to using this command. After that, getting started. So here a project name again, and here firstly we have to clone the repo. So here you see single and double. So single is a large size and double hashtag is for little bit small. So clone the repo, git clone, cd project name, and install the npm packages. After that, when you go to the your project folder, then install and run npm install command, whatever packages described in package.json file, so that particular package install in your system in node modules folder. And then click on the npm start run command npm start, so it will run your application. So development server. So while if you want to change anything in your source code and run command like ngserve, so it will automatically reload and navigate to localhost 4200. You can see in a web browser. So here also we mention npm scripts like npm start, npm build, npm run lint, npm run serve, and npm test. Here we mention visit our application like application URL, app URL. Now one thing, like here we need to one space between them. So how can you make a space between them? So firstly, like text is and, so add more space, add two or more space between, and then enter. So it will make a space between two sentences. And how can we preview the elements, preview the readme file? So type keyword like control shift and v, so it opens a readme file. Like that. You can see it. So when you push the code in GitHub, so anyone you can anyone see a readme.md file, and using that he or she use your application or download your application, use your application, whatever changes you have to change it, because everybody don't knows Angular. If they have only basic understanding of JavaScript, then how can you use it? That's why we create a readme file. Thanks for the watching.